How to log into Bank of Iberia online banking. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Navigate to a trusted search engine such as google.com. In the search bar, type Bank of Iberia and press Enter. From the search results, carefully select the official and verified website of Bank of Iberia. Once on the homepage, locate and click on the Sign In option. On the login page, enter your username in the appropriate field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding section. If needed, use the Show Hide option to view or hide your password. To recover your username, click on the Forgot Username link. If you have forgotten your password, select the Forgot Password option. If you are a new user, click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You may also choose the Remember Username option to make future logins easier. Finally, click on the Sign In button to securely access your online banking account.